What's going on, guys? Welcome back. All right, so I got some of my tools out. Had to dig around. I don't know where the hell I put them, but I guess it's time to remove this bikini fairing. Get my gloves out of there. It is kind of hot right now in Arizona, so I'm in the garage. I guess you got to remove that bolt and that one right there. Let's go ahead and do that real quick, see if it's easy enough. All right, so I just removed it real quick. I guess it's the headlamp connected to the actual fairing with a couple of Allen bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. So I guess we got to remove this, and I think should completely be removed from the headlamp. That's off. Make sure this doesn't fall. All right. So now, as long as I have that set right there, shoot, pause it. All right, we got the fairing off. That was pretty quick and easy. We're gonna clean this up a bit. I think I gotta remove this. I'm not sure. Kind of looks weird if I just plug it back on, kind of like that, but wondering if I should just leave it or take it off. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys should remove that, or what is this? It's just extended for the fairing mount. I guess I'll just remove it. Remove this. Never mind, that's kind of like connected to the headlamp somehow, so we're gonna keep that on there. All right, let's go bolt this back on. To hold it in place. I'm not sure if we gotta put the all right. We might be running to an issue here. Okay. Now that we got that kind of situated right there, I'm gonna go ahead and build this and put all the clamps on loosely and see how it fits. All right, guys, so what I had to do was pretty much remove one of the brackets and measure it up on the bike, and I did that right now. Fits really well. Clamps are holding on strong and they're a good fit. Pull tabs right here, but doesn't move and it looks good. Really can't remove this. I don't know what the hell this is for. I guess it's just a mount for the bikini fairing, but I can't remove that because then the whole entire headlamp will just fall off. But I got to remove this anyway once I upgrade it to a LED one. So future video on that soon. So let's go ahead and keep on trucking over here. Remove this bracket, mount up the brackets onto there, and put it on. All right, guys, with a little bit of massaging, kind of got it on. It is on. I just got to tighten up all the bolts. As you can see, let me straighten it out. Kind of changed the whole look of the bike. I kind of have to center it a little bit or adjust my turn signals now, but that looks so much better. So much better. All right, let me tighten it up real quick and then pull the protective film off. All right, got her all tightened up and kind of pretty much centered as much as possible. So, I mean, all right, let's pull this sucker off, see how it looks. Come on. All right, that looks good. Yeah, actually it wasn't pretty hard to install. I just had to kind of massage the actual brackets. So what you got to do pretty much is remove this portion of the bracket from the fairing and then actually install the clamps to that. You guys will see kind of like how hard it is to install, but you'll get it once you kind of like, okay, this is what I got to do. And then once you put it on, clamp it onto the actual fork itself, and then do the same thing for the other side of the fairing, and then put the fairing on as far as adjusting it, aligning it, and then bending the actual bracket itself to actually meet the fairing bracket. So that's what I kind of had to do. But she looks good and pretty. Definitely got to do the LED conversions on these. Those will come, pegs will come. Man, this is satisfying. Comment down below if you guys like doing this, opening up stuff like this. I mean, if it was clear PPF, I'd leave it on, but it's like opening up present, you know what I mean? Yeah, there's a lot in there. You gotta remove all of that. But comment down below, let me know what do you guys think about it. All right. Woo! Yeah, she's looking clean. She's looking better. Definitely got to do air cleaner and a fuel pack tuner. So I might have to remove this whole entire windscreen and completely remove all of this freaking plastic, because I feel like they covered it in plastic and then they bolted it on. So it's like, it's just hanging there. Yeah, literally, that thing's in between the plastic. So I might have to do that here. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Sorry for my messy garage. But here she is, how she looks. Put a leg up on her. Bam, look at that. A lot better. Nicer. Whew. Wasn't too bad. Like I said, just have to take your time with it, just because you're gonna get frustrated with that mount, but you'll figure it out. It's pretty easy. Comment down below, let me know if you guys have any questions at all. And if you haven't already, go ahead and sub. I gotta clean up this mess right here, just install the damn fairing. I appreciate you guys again for tuning in. Woo! Yeah. See you guys again. Peace.